this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today with 2 more entries into my birthday and 1-year YouTube celebration. So I'm so excited to share. This first one comes from Dina, who is the Butterfly Charms here on YouTube, and I will put a link to her channel in the description below. She makes the most beautiful journals. I mean, she does all kinds of crafting, but her journals just absolutely blow me away. And I'm so excited to see this sweet card. She won one of my giveaways, which had this like bee die. And so how sweet. Look, she made this so that the wings all pop up. Isn't that adorable? And it says, "Be happy." And I love this gold foiling and the glitter. So sweet, so sweet. And here's her ATC card. And it's also a bee theme. Okay, look at that. Oh, it's also got the wings that pop out. And look at the sweet gemmies for eyes. And it's a happy bee. I just think that's adorable. Dana, this is so cute. So let's learn more about Dana. Dana is in New York, and her birthday is in October. It's October 28th, and her favorite colors are pink, teal, pastels, purple, gold, and silver. And she loves shabby chic style, albums, pocket letters, and doing swaps. You guys, she really loves to do personal swaps. So if you're ever looking for a swap partner, she is a phenomenal one. And she loves spending time with her grandchildren. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, so that is that. And then, oh, she sent me a bunch of die cuts. Look at those sunflowers and bees. Oh, I love that cross. You are my rock. That is for the Lord. And trust in the Lord. And happy birthday. That's so sweet. This chipboard sticker inside of here. And I'm definitely a believer. And so I treasure these things that all are around faith. Okay, and she says, "Congratulations on your 1 year on YouTube and also a very happy birthday and many more to come." Thank you so much, Dana. I hope you like my card in ATC. I love them. Absolutely love them. I'm trying to do some embossing. Really cool. Big crafty hugs, Dana, the Butterfly Charms. So sweet. Okay, so let's see what else she sent in. Ooh, it's a pocket letter. Oh, I love her pocket letters. Oh, so great. So look at this gorgeousness. This paper is absolutely beautiful. Do you guys see this sweet girl with this bundle of flowers, a bouquet of flowers in her hand, and these beautiful roses? And look at this heart. And it says beautiful. It really is. And this says, "All smiles." Oh my gosh, that's so great. And a cross. And look down here, butterflies and flowers and for you. Oh, this is so pretty. I love, look, she put a frame around this one. That is so cool. That is a really great idea. I love that. And then she's got a sweet bow on here with some dangles in pink and purple. How pretty are those? So pretty. And she sent me some berry tea. Thank you so much. And then look at all these rosettes. Oh, I love them. I love these rosettes. I love to use rosettes in crafting. They are so versatile. And she sent some sweet kitty stickers and also some of those beautiful embossed roses. So pretty. Thank you so much, Dana. Thank you for your entry. I really love it. I love it all. Thank you. Okay, let me get this cleared up and we're going to jump into my second one, which is from Lorraine. Okay, so this box comes to me from Lorraine, and Lorraine is in Texas, and we have been really having a fun time getting to know each other and emailing back and forth. She does not have a channel yet. I always say yet. So you can always encourage people to have a channel. She's been sharing pictures of some of the twinchies she's been making, and they are gorgeous. So please join me in encouraging her to start a channel. Okay, so all I did was cut open this box. Okay, so here is the inside, and here's my card. And it says, birthday blessings. There is no one else like you. God designed every detail of who you are with gifts that only you can give to the world, and blessings that make a difference in ways wonderfully unique to you. You are special and loved, and wished blessings on your birthday of the very best kind. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, Lorraine. Thank you so much. And it says, you are an amazing person with unique talents. Keep the faith, and God be with you always. Love, Lorraine. Thank you so much, Lorraine. That's so sweet. So sweet. Okay, I'm going to get all these incredible goodies out, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so the first thing she sent me is a lanyard, and it says be positive. Oh, I just love that. You guys know that I am really loving the bees right now. So sweet. Thank you so much. And then this is Philippians 4:13, which says, I can do all things through Christ, who strengthens me. And this is such a beautiful notepad. I absolutely love it. And I love that it's got like rose gold foiling. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh, just love that. Oh, and then the next thing is some truck fabric. How fun is that? My husband really loves the trucks, and so this will be so fun to do something for him with. And then look at this sweet bee fabric she sent me. It's got mason jars and bees and like flowers. Oh, that is so sweet. I am going to have to learn how to sew on fabric. I've only been sewing on paper. But wouldn't this be beautiful, like on a tag or as a journal cover, these fabrics? So I'm going to have to try that. Definitely going to have to try that. Okay, let's open up this sweet package. It's got these sweet swans. Oh my gosh, doesn't that just look like Maggie Holmes? Looks like Maggie Holmes to me. And it's got this beautiful tool. Ooh, it makes noise. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wanted these. Thank you so much for these adorable eyelets. And they're shaped too. There's like stars in here and colors and hearts. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Lorraine. Thank you. My Hobby Lobby didn't have any of those. Ooh, I wonder what this is. Okay, let's get all this sweet stuff out. Okay. Ooh, what a pretty dish. Okay, I'm going to let you look. Oh, she got me 2 of them. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I keep going back to my Hobby Lobby because the one closest to me finally started marking their stuff down, but they did not have any of these. So thank you for 2 sets of those. And look at these sweet bee findings. They're little buttons. Oh, they are so cute. Look at those faces on there. And then, oh my gosh, I've never seen these. These are bee charms. Oh, those are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Can you guys see? They have a little bit of a rhinestone, a little bling on them too. Oh, and I never saw these either. Look at those holographic wings. Don't they almost look like they're flying when I shake them? That is so cute. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lorraine. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's open up this cute plate. Oh, wow. It says, be unique. Thank you so much. You know, for so much of my life, I really didn't like who I was because I experienced a lot of ridicule for being half Japanese. And I just really wish that God had created me to be Caucasian. And so it's taken me a long time to be able to embrace who I am and who God made me to be. So your words touch me in a way that I don't even think you really even understand. It's really been a journey. It's hard when people don't like you for something that you can't change about yourself, that you can't fix. Really makes you question if you're worth anything. So thank you so much, Lorraine. Thank you. Oh, more beautiful bee fabric. And in pink. Oh, that's just so sweet. so sweet. Pink is my favorite color, so I just love that. And then my next favorite one is like mint. Like this is my new favorite color is mint after pink. So, oh, these are just so perfect. So perfect. And then look at this happy lemon fabric. Oh, that is so perfect. I actually have like lemon plate, a couple of them just for display in my home for the summer. And oh, I'm gonna have to make something that goes with that to display it together. I love it. Oh, and watermelons. So sweet. So sweet. So happy for the summer. I love those. Oh my gosh, Lorraine, I can't believe you got me even more. So here's some more lemon fabric and some more watermelon fabric. I'm going to be able to make such sweet things. I'm going to have to learn how. And here is another truck and another bee. Oh, I just love these. Oh, and look at this one. Woo! Look at these pineapples. Does that not remind you of Hawaii? Oh, I love that. My mom is from Hawaii, so that's a special place in my heart. So thank you so much. I just love everything that you sent and all your thoughtfulness in picking out things that you thought that I would love. I really appreciate you guys spending some time with me today. I please go and show these lovely ladies some crafty love, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.